This is the future. I'd like to take a look now at some of the excellent work that some of these pilots are doing and kind of give a good visual example of these flights over people that are being done. My angle at drones, or my approach, is from an industry that is very risk adverse. When I'm at, concerts or shows and I see drones flying, 5 or so feet above people's heads, I get nervous because that's not something I would ever feel comfortable doing as a licensed drone pilot, just because I know it is such a flagrant violation of the rules. But if you want to be competitive in that marketing space, performing for the biggest acts and entertainers and DJs and bands, you really need to be able to provide these shots to stay competitive in this market. This is the future. This is why I got the FPV drone. I want to learn how to do shots like this. Those shots are amazing. Indoor FPV, that's a whole nother level. Dance floor right there. Nice gym. Excellent meeting room, steel and glass. Beautiful. Look at that side sweeping shot. Drone Demand 2022. All right, 3D models. It's very cool. This is awesome marketing content for what is either I think prairie concrete. Yeah, that's some great piloting. All right, we're flying over people. Do these people know? Is it okay? I think it's probably okay. Everybody seems like they're having a good time. Nobody seems to be in fear of their life for the drones. That's kind of the other thing I feel like I have to talk about is drones kind of went from being this sort of creative thing to the money really seems to be driving to the dark side of drones. Okay, yeah, so he's got a pilot community. All right, I love that. That's great. See, what I don't want to see die in the drone space is the collaborative spirit of drone people working together. I'm concerned that what we're seeing a lot of the pilot networks is it's just the race to the bottom. It's just bad for everybody. You can see some of my work behind me here. I do what I can to get the smooth sweeping shots, but when I'm doing the DJI flight program, it's a little jerky on the camera, but the FPV, like that guy right there, FPVs, you get these beautiful things. But see that, you could not fly that over people. I wouldn't even want to get this close to guys and all those hockey pads even, because the props on that thing could do some damage to the skin. I mean, that's awesome. This gives you almost a better perspective than if you were there. But yeah, indoor drone tours. Kudos to you, sir. That you are an inspiration. Drone University. Oh, okay. Yes. I was interested in taking this guy's course. Now he's got a good one for construction solutions. If you're trying to sell your drone services to a construction firm, this guy's got a course for that. I haven't taken it, so I can't necessarily endorse it, but I would like to at some point. Drone U guy, if you ever see me, if you ever see this video, Jacob Lewis, the drone coach for a minute. I think this guy kind of helps pilots go from being kind of the drone pilot network grinder to the cinematography. Yeah, if you're a drone pilot and you want to kind of figure out a good way to level up, I'd say the drone coach, he's got you. You have amazing drone shots. Yeah. Yeah, you see what he's flying. He's got the prop guards. Yeah, I think everybody be considered participants under FAA Part 107 regulations. Yeah, I mean these are super clean. These are really bright, high energy. It's great.